Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Jamaica is set to rake in $20 million from this year's staging of the Appleton Rum Festival and the pool of reggae Sumfest events, which end this weekend. We were on the ground at the Montego Bay Sports Complex in St. James earlier this week.
Despite the wet weather, the fifth staging of the Appleton Rum Festival took place in St. James yesterday with hundreds of patrons.
We've seen this on the media, so we wanted to get the experience this year, and so far it has been great.
For you?
She brought me here and I don't regret it.
I've been with Rum Festival since the beginning, and it gets better and better every year.
Why do you come back?
The rum, of course.
This is the first time of a 3-year run that will see Appleton Rum Festival partnering with Reggae Sumfest. This year on a Thursday, away from the usual Saturday, with hopes that the synergy will pull patrons.
Outside of that, partnering with Down Sound Entertainment, it allows for our synergies to be utilized when it comes on to us with rum education. So think about rum heritage, rum history, rum craftsmanship on display, and then we have a partner now who can even further elevate the consumer experience when it comes on to entertainment.
While the organizers have been tight-lipped about the sums spent to execute not just Rum Festival, but the full weekend, they were certainly open for rum and food tasting. As for the broader economic impact,
some $20 million is expected to flow through this weekend here in Montego Bay for accommodation and to purchase and consume the myriad of goods and services that are going to be provided by the ordinary Jamaicans.
We have invested $3 million in setting up the Artisan Village here at the Rum Festival. And the idea is we're trying to get the flow of the wealth from our tourism, from our visitors who are here, spreading into the nook and crannies of Jamaica, the length and breadth, the value chain of Jamaica.
There were 22 artisans set up at the venue.
We take the pop or the business to the Jamaicans instead of you trying to find us in Portmore or in Falmouth.
How are you hoping for the business to benefit from?
More awareness. One, that's one, and more buyers.
I sell everything 100% leather, all handmade in Jamaica by me. So it's important to me at Rum Festival for my products to be sold in Jamaica and persons to realize that there are still good brands and value existing in Jamaica.
Those who were there for the first time also shared similar sentiments. Rum Festival skipped 2023, but the aim is to return to an annual staging. But where will it be?
The aim and the goal is always to say how can we locate the festival in gateways to the world for Jamaica. So you think of what are those urban centers in Jamaica that speak to a myriad of locals and tourists alike. So of course that's why we've been here at Montego Bay for 2 stages. But who knows, we can look at other places as well. But Montego Bay has been our home for the past 2 stages and we're happy with it.
Patrons also had their own views.
I enjoyed it. I hope so. I'd like for it to come back to Kingston, but it's still good here though.